Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to video, and today we are going to show you on how to send Canva file in Messenger. Now the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to open your Canva application on your device. Okay, so let's open my Canva application and I'm going to send a sample here, so just click on a random sample on Instagram post. Now you just have to click on the share button at the top right corner of your screen to share this to Messenger. So just click on this one at the top and then select Facebook Messenger. Okay, this one. So just wait until your design is prepared. Now click on chat instead of story and you will be redirected to your Messenger chats. Okay. Now you just have to click on the send button, and that specific friend of yours will receive your file on Canva. Okay, and that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.